Solar brothers and sisters, good morning to all. Today topic is halogen family. Halo means salt, that is chloride, bromide, iodide occurs in seawater. Gen means producer. So halogen nothing but salt producers. Another point, general electronic configuration. That is a NS2 NP5. In the valence cell, totally 7 electrons are there. For example, halogen. This 7 electron not attain the octet rule. So unstable compound. Share or gain of 1 electron, another halogen may be same or different. To form X2. So halogen exists as a diatomic molecule. All are non-metals. First halogen family element, fluorine. What are the halogen family? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astradine. First element, fluorine. This one, color, yellow is green. More active and more reactive than more electronegative element. So fluorine called as superhalogen. One more question may be asked. In the halogen family, which one acts as a superhalogen? Fluorine acts as a superhalogen because of more active, more reactive, more electronegative elements. Oxidation state of fluorine exists in -1 only, except HOF. This fluorine exists +1 oxidation state. Why? Because fluorine is a smaller size, exists only -1 oxidation state. Here, absence of vacant d orbital. This element does not show the disproportionation reaction. Other elements, that is other elements, that is chlorine, bromine, iodine, undergoes disproportionation reaction in alkaline medium. Why? Because remaining halogen, chlorine, bromine, iodine, presence of vacant d orbital, it forms the p by d by multiple bond. For example, any one of the halogen react with alkali, that is NaOH, cold condition, that is a diluted to formation of NaXO plus H2O. NaOH, that is a hot concentrated alkali to form NaXO3 plus H2O. Fluorine does not undergo disproportionation reaction, remaining all elements undergo disproportionation reaction. What is the meaning for disproportionation reaction? Same compound or molecule undergo both oxidation reduction takes place simultaneously. Another point. All halogen absorbed the color due to absorption of wavelength in visible light. That is, electron excited from pi star to sigma star. This type of question may be asked in the 1 mark question. Electron excited from what orbital? Pi star to sigma star orbital. Fluorine is a greenish yellow color. Here chlorine is greenish yellow. Bromine, bronze is red. Iodine, violet color. Fluorine what color? Yellow is green. Chlorine what color? Green is yellow. Bromine what color? Bronze is red. Iodine what color? Is a violet color. Astatine, this unstable compound. All are non-metal. Fluorine exists only -1 oxygen state. Remaining all elements exist -1, +1, +3, +5, +7 oxidation state. Here fluorine and chlorine are gas. Bromine is a liquid. Iodine is a solid. These are the general trends. Next, general properties. First one, atomic and ionic radii. In the group wise, size increases mean atomic and ionic radii also increases. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. This is order. 1 mark question may be asked. What is the regular order of atomic and ionic radius in the group wise? That is down the group. Size will be increased means atomic and ionic will be increases. Next point. Ionization energy and electronegativity non-metallic character nature. In the down the group, size increase mean ionization energy decreases because of ionization energy inversely proportional to the atomic and ionic radii. Next one, electron affinity. That is a electron gain enthalpy. Order chlorine greater than, fluorine greater than, bromine greater than iodine. Comparatively, chlorine and fluorine is a less electron gain enthalpy because of smaller size and compact. Strong electron ripples in between outermost cell electron and order electron is a less tendency to accept the electron for the fluorine. So fluorine is a less electron gain enthalpy than compared to the chlorine. What is the order? Chlorine greater than, fluorine greater than, bromine greater than iodine. Another one, oxidation power. Fluorine greater than, bromine greater than, that is not bromine, fluorine greater than, bromine greater than iodine. This is order. This one is a more electronegative. This one is the highest oxidation power because of is what electron gain enthalpy. Halogens are strong oxidizing agent. Another point, fluoride ion does not show reducing nature. But chloride, bromide and iodide show reducing nature. Next point, melting point, boiling point and bond length, then enthalpy of fusion and vaporization. In the down the group, size increases mean melting point, boiling point, bond length, enthalpy of fusion and enthalpy of vaporization increases because of increase the polarization. That is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Melting point order. Last one, bond dissociation energy. Here, chlorine greater than, bromine greater than, fluorine greater than, this is iodine. These are the general properties for halogen family. One more question may be asked. What is the order of oxidation power? What is the order of electron gain enthalpy? What is the order of bond dissociation energy? And what is the order of ionization energy, atomic and ionic radius? Next, preparation of halogen. First preparation of fluorine. What is that? Electrolysis of fused potassium hydrogen fluoride. Fluorine can be obtained. KH, F2, this under electrolysis, KF plus HF. This further electrolysis, K plus and F minus. K plus mean any atom which carrying the positive charge, this name is called cation. This one anion. Cation move towards the cathode, anion move towards the anode. Cation reduction takes place at the cathode. Cation move towards the cathode reduction takes place. Reduction means gain of electron. For example, K plus 1 electron gain to form K. K K further react with that is a HF to formation of KF plus hydrogen. Hydrogen is unstable, further react with one more hydrogen to form H2. So hydrogen gas liberated at what electrode? Cathode, at anode. Anode, oxidation takes place, loss of electron. Which one? Fluorine. F minus, F plus electron can be lost. This unstable react with one more fluorine to formation of F2. Fluorine can be liberated at anode. One more question may be asked. In the electrolysis of fused potassium hydrogen fluoride, how to obtain the fluorine? Fluorine is liberated at anode or cathode. Here, fluorine liberated at anode. Another preparation. Preparation of fluorine. First one, laboratory preparation. Here, oxygen of concentrated sulfuric acid react with the chloride salt in the presence of MnO2 to formation of chloride will give the chlorine. Hydrogen react with oxygen to form H2O as a water. Sodium react with sulfate to form NaHSO4. Is a Mn react with sulfate to formation of MnSO4. This other reaction. By using this equation, chlorine can be prepared. Balance equation. Here how many chlorine? 2 chlorine. Here only 1. So 2 times. How many sodium? Sir, 2 sodium. Here 2 sodium. How many sulfate? Here 2. Here 1, 3. So 3 times. How many hydrogen? 6 hydrogen. Here is a 2 hydrogen, remaining is a 2 hydrogen. How many oxygen? 2 oxygen. This is a 2 oxygen. Equation should be balanced. This equation common for all the halogen. Next preparation. Oxidizing agent. BbO2, Bb3O4, potassium permanganate, potassium dichromate, all are act as a oxidizing agent. This decomposes with hydrochloric acid and the formation of chlorine. Chlorine can be obtained from the oxidizing agent. What are the oxidizing agent? BbO2, BbO3, O4, potassium permanganate, potassium dichromate. For example, PbO2 react with the HCl to formation of BbCl2. Chlorine gas liberated, Cl2 plus H2. These are the equation. Balance equation. Here how many oxygen? 2 oxygen. 2 times 4 hydrogen. Here 4 hydrogen. Here 2 chlorine. Here 2 chlorine. Equation should be balanced. Another oxidizing agent, Bb3O4, that is a dry lead tetroxide, decomposes with hydrochloric acid and the formation of BbCl2 and chlorine and liberation of water molecule. Here how many lead? 3, so 3 times. How many oxygen? 4, here 4. How many hydrogen? 8, that is a 8 hydrogen. What about chlorine? Here 8 chlorine. Here is what? 6 to 8. Another one oxidizing agent, potassium dichromate. This potassium dichromate decomposes with hydrochloric acid. Potassium react with chlorine to formation of KCl. Chromium react with the chlorine to form Cr, Cl3, and the liberation of chlorine produce the water. Balance equation, here how many potassium? 2 potassium, here 1, so 2 times. How many chromium? 2, here 1 is a 2 times. Here how many oxygen? 7 oxygen, here only 1 is 7. How many hydrogen? 14 hydrogen, here 14 times. How many chlorine? 14 chlorine, here 6, 6 plus 2, 8, remaining 6 is 3 times. Equation should be balanced. Oxidizing agent of this component react with hydrochloric acid, formation of chlorine. Another one, action of mineral acid or carbon dioxide on bleaching powder, formula CaOCl2. Another preparation, that is bleaching powder CaOCl2 react with mineral acid, maybe HCl and hydrochloric acid, formation of CaCl2, hydrogen react with oxygen, H2O plus Cl. Another one more bleaching powder react with one more sulfuric acid to formation of calcium sulfate plus water plus chlorine. Is a bleaching powder react with carbon dioxide, that is a CO2, to formation of calcium carbonate and chlorine. This one another method was preparation of chlorine. Balance equation, 1 calcium, how many chlorine is a here 2, here is a 2 chlorine. So 2 chlorine, here 1, how many hydrogen is a 2. Here 2 chlorine, here 2 chlorine is a 2 plus 2, 4, balanced. Calcium sulfate react with this one water and liberation of hydrogen. Bleaching powder react with carbon dioxide to form calcium carbonate and liberation of hydrogen. These are the laboratory preparation of chlorine. Another one, industrial preparation of chlorine. Here, electrolysis of aqueous solution of brine solution, that is a NaCl. NaCl component. This is a NaCl undergo electrolysis. It is a Na plus and Cl minus. Cation move towards the cathode, anion move towards the anode at a cathode reaction. At a cathode, reduction takes place, gain of 1 electron to formation of Na. Na further dissolve in water to form NaOH and liberation of hydrogen. Hence equation. Here 3 hydrogen, so 2 times, here 2 times, this one 2 times. How many oxygen? 2 oxygen. NaOH obtained as a byproduct during the manufacture of Na in the electrolysis of brine solution by the Downs process. At anode. Anode, what reaction takes place? Oxidation takes place. Chlorine, oxidation means what? Loss of electron. Electron can be lost. This chlorine react with one more chlorine because of unstable to form chlorine molecule. One more question may be asked. So chlorine liberated anode at a cathode. Here chlorine liberated at anode. Next, preparation of bromine. here, point number 1, by action of chlorine gas passed through potassium or magnesium bromide. For example, potassium bromide react with chlorine to formation of KCl and Br2. This method, preparation of bromine. Balance equation, common chlorine to chlorine is 2 times, potassium 2 times, chlorine 2 times. Another one, magnesium bromide react with chlorine, formation of magnesium chloride and bromide. Magnesium valency plus 2. Balance equation. So 2 chlorine, 2 chlorine, 2 bromine, 2 bromine. Another one is 1 magnesium. These are the preparation for bromine. Another method, laboratory preparation of bromine. Next, laboratory preparation of bromine. That is, action of concentrated sulfuric acid on bromide salt in the presence of MnO2. Bromide will give the bromine and water. Potassium react with the sulfate, that is a potassium bisulfate, that is MnSO4. These are the equation. Here common bromine, 2 bromine, here 2, common potassium, 2 potassium, common sulfate, 3 sulfate, 3 times, common hydrogen, 6 hydrogen, here 2, here 2, common oxygen is a 2 oxygen. These are laboratory preparation of bromine. Another one, preparation of iodine. By action of chlorine on potassium iodide. Chlorine react with potassium iodide to form potassium chloride and liberation of iodine. Iodine can be obtained by action of chlorine on potassium iodide. Balance equation, here 2, here 2, here 2. Common chlorine is a 2 chlorine. Next, laboratory preparation of iodine. Same method, that is a action of concentrated sulfuric acid on potassium iodide salt in the presence of MnO2, formation of iodine, water. Here potassium react with the sulfate, that is a potassium bisulfate and MnSO4. Common iodine 1, here 2, so 2 times, potassium 2, here 2 times, sulfate 3, so 3 times, common hydrogen 6 hydrogen, here 2, here 2, common oxygen is a 2 oxygen. Equation should be balanced. Among the halogens, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, chlorine is what most common. We discuss about one more important preparation of chlorine and physical property, that is a Tech-on process. Tech-on process manufacture chlorine by the oxidation of hydrochloric acid in the presence of cupric chloride at 400 degrees Celsius, formation of chlorine plus water. Balance equation, here 2 oxygen, here 1 oxygen 2 times, common hydrogen 4 hydrogen, here 4, chlorine is 2 times. How to do this reaction means, first cupric chloride acts as a catalyst This one T comes at a high temperature. To form cuprous chloride and liberation of chlorine. That's the equation. How many chlorine? It's a 4 chlorine. It's a 2 times. Here 2. Cuprous chloride react with the oxygen from air to formation of Ce2O Cl2. This name copper oxychloride. Copper oxychloride decomposes with the HCl to formation of CuCl2 and liberation of water. This one used again as a catalyst by the is what? Oxidation of hydrochloric acid in the presence of cupric chloride. Cupric chloride acts as a catalyst. This one is a regenerated. Here in the Deccan process, there is a hydrochloric acid react with in the Deccan process, cupric chloride acts as a catalyst, oxidation of hydrochloric acid to formation of chlorine. This is a process. Cupric chloride heated at a high temperature to form cuprous chloride. Cuprous chloride react with oxygen from air to form copper oxychloride. Copper oxychloride is react with hydrochloric acid to form the cupric chloride. Cupric chloride again acts as a catalyst in the Deccan process. Balance equation 2 copper, here 2 copper. How many chlorine is a 4 chlorine, here 2. How many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen, only 1 oxygen. Next, physical properties of chlorine. First one, physical property. Chlorine are greenish yellow color and pungent smell, suffocation odor is a irritating power. Point number 2, heavier than air, about 2.5 times. Chlorine dissolved in water, this refers to chlorine water. Here, yellow color and smell of chlorine. At 0 degree Celsius, crystal of chlorine formed as a hydrate, that is a Cl2.8 times of water. These are the physical property. Let us recap the halogen family. Halo means salt, gen means producer. So halogen nothing but salt producer. So all the elements are non-metal. What are the elements? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Here fluorine only exists -1 oxygen state, does not show the disproportionation reaction. Other elements undergo disproportionation reaction. These are the general properties. Fluorine is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These are absorb the color due to absorption of wavelength of visible light from the pi star to sigma star orbital. Next, general property, atomic and ionic radius, ionization energy, electron negativity, electron gain, enthalpy, bond dissociation energy. This type of question may be asked in 1 mark. Next, preparation of halogen. What are the halogen? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Is here compound, that is a organic compound, inorganic compound, that is a equation, volatile nature. How to practice the equation regularly? Good luck.